Good morning, people. This is your host Palika Mala Reddy from VPod #Vishnu Podcast. Here I come up with an episode number 4 for VPod #Vishnu Podcast. Trust me, this will be the most craziest and entertaining episode so far. So let me give a quick introduction about this episode. In this episode, I'll have an girl whom I can define as jack of all trades and master of all, because she's a great artist, a good singer, a fantabulous speaker. Moreover, she's just like me, because when you find a people like you'll be like on air, because that hype and that vibe you feel is marvelous. So without any further delay, let us get into the episode. Witness 2 chatterboxes in single episode. We are recording our hat-trick podcast for VPod #Vishnu Podcast, and we have a very pretty lady over here. She's Pragya Mishra, who is working as an RJ, and she's also a journalist. So we have a couple of questions to ask, and I want to know, and we want to know as a woman, how she is in journalism stream right now. So what kind of situation she faced so far and how she went into the journalism. These kind of things we are going to know today. So hi ma'am, hello.
Hello,
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
We are also good. So we are very glad to have you here. So the first thing I want to ask is why you went into journalism, and what made you to turn up?
So I wanted to bring change in everyone's life. Like I wanted to bring some changes in this world. Like I feel when we come to this world, we are not like just like that. We should go. We should do something, and then it should impact the world in a positive way. So that is the reason I felt like journalism will be the best option. So I chose journalism as BJMC I did. So that, and then I realized that there's so much corruption in journalism, TV journalism, news and all. So we have seen some things like that. So that is why I thought, let's go for radio. That is the purest medium. So I like it. That's
You
why.
backed up from journalism.
No, actually, in my course, radio is a subject. So I didn't backed up. So I started in radio only, my career.
So you are into the radio stream.
Yeah.
So to add a point, I just went into the journalism stream and I backed up because of all these things which you told, that corruption
Okay,
and
okay.
also I just felt this was not correct thing to do and all.
But
so
I don't think in radio it's that much.
Yes.
Yeah. In other fields it is there, like TV journalism and all. But in radio I don't feel it's that much there.
So where did you done your bachelor's of journalism?
I did it from Dehradun, Graphic Era University, and from then in the last semester I started doing internship for 3 months. I did that, and after that I got a job in Ludhiana, Punjab, and I started working there. I worked there for 1 year approx, and then I shifted to Hyderabad.
So what you are doing in Hyderabad right now? Are you working as an RJ or what?
Yeah, I'm working as a part-time RJ for now, but earlier I used to work for Radio Mirchi USA.
So actually, I have seen in your profile that your program is Be Positive. So can we get
Yeah.
any positive tips and techniques to follow?
Yeah, actually, if you want to be positive all the time, the best thing I do is smile. So this is just one small thing, and you can do it easily,
I
right?
can sense it because you are smiling all the day, and
Yeah.
the listeners will feel also will feel good when you are
Yeah,
smiling and
yeah.
talking to them. So what kind of calls will you get? Like sometimes you get irritated or something. How can you manage all that?
No, I don't easily get irritated. Matlab, it's not easy to make me irritate. I can make people irritate easily, but they cannot. So that is a thing that I never faced such kind of things. I like talking to people, talking to new people, and I love that. So I don't
So
feel-
our college is now sensing that 2 chatterboxes together doing
Yeah.
a podcast right now. So how your parents supported to you to get into these streams? Because regularly some parents won't allow girls to do these kind of things like journalism.
Yeah,
and
it's
all.
very common that parents don't allow, but my mother's dream is to see me in that journalism court.
Wow, that's so
Matlab,
nice.
Like she wanted to see me on TV with that, anchors, they wear that coat blazer, so she wanted to see me in that, but I didn't fulfill her dream. But my parents they are too supportive in everything. They are proud in everything. So they now also they are happy, and I'm an artist too. So for that also they are happy.
Yeah,
So,
artist. This I want to ask how you became an artist, because RJ and journalism is your mother's dream.
Yeah, yeah.
What made you an artist?
Yeah, so I was an artist since my childhood. I used to do drawing and all, and I was too good in that I used to do my brother's. He is 3 years elder than me, and I used to complete his drawing books. So he used to get excellent because of me. So I'm just taking all the credits. So yeah, I used to do actually. So by that only we came to know, my family also, they came to know that she's that much good that she's doing his elder brother's work. So that is why at that time I was keep on doing, and then I took a break of around 5 years because of studies and journalism. I came into that, so because of that 5 years gap I took in between, and then while working in Hyderabad, then I again started taking painting classes. Then I learned their painting and all, and then again I came into
So
this.
you're making people to learn painting and all. So what
So
would be your favorite pastime apart from art and painting? Not these, which people
so
most?
I like singing. I'm learning also singing
Wow.
these days. So
Oh, which kind of music you are learning? Like,
I'm learning classical music, Hindustani classical.
can we have a bit?
Hindustani classical you want to listen?
Yeah, we love to.
Actually, I just now started, so it's just Saregama Pada Nisa.
to sing that lines only. We'll feel very happy for that.
It's better if I can, it's better if I'll sing a song, 2 lines of any song,
you
that
can-
will be
yeah,
better,
please sing,
I
because
think.
your voice is so sweet that people want to listen all the time.
Yeah, so we are
Please,
over.
please.
Okay. चुरा लिया है तुमने जो दिल को, नजर नहीं चुराना सनम, बदल के मेरी तुम जिंदगानी, कहीं बदल ना जाना सनम. That much is enough.
So nice. Yeah, चुरा लिया आपने. So I'm
Yeah.
bad at Hindi.
That was my dream.
You want to become a singer?
No. I'm saying I want चुरा आपके दिल को चुरा.
yeah.
हाँ, I want it to
चुरा
steal
लिया
your.
मेरे दिल को और सबके दिल को. So you are of 23 years, if I'm not wrong,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
In this engage, but you did a lot.
Yeah.
How it happens?
Because parents are too supportive, and even I love to learn new things, so maybe that is the thing. I feel that when you are having a support of your parents, that they are there, when your father says that I am there, whatever you want to do, you do. If you get fail also, I am there for you. If someone is there like your father,
Yes.
then that is the best support you get, and that is the only thing which inspires you a lot. So, yeah.
So you have traveled different places like Ludhiana, Dehradun, and now in
Yeah.
Hyderabad, and now in Bhimavaram. So how you collaborate with people, and what tips or what kind of things you do to mingle with people?
So I don't think I need to do anything special for that. I talk with them, and talking to someone, it automatically connects them. If you ask about their personal life, like what they do, what they love to do, people love to talk about themselves, right? So that is the best part. If you ask about them, so they'll interact with you easily.
So to wind up the session, so I would like to you please give a message to all the ladies who wanted to get into different streams apart from doing regular things like being an engineer or being a doctor, these kind of things. Apart from this, people want to go to different streams, right? So for that people, what kind of message do you want to give them? Because
So I want to give them this message that they have to believe in themselves. That is what I'm saying to everyone, that you should believe in yourself. That is the most important thing, that if we are in doubt that whether we can do it or not, so our parents, our society, everyone will be in doubt only. If we are confident enough to say that yeah, I can do that, so everyone will support you automatically. The surroundings will support you. This happened with me, so that is why.
thank you so much for being here, and it was a lovely podcast that we had so far. Thank you so much. ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for listening to us. I know you people have enjoyed it thoroughly, and you have a huge smile on your face at the end of this episode. So let me conclude by telling what I have learned from this episode. If you are passionate about something and if you work hard, you will be the successful person forever and ever. So here, to all the listeners who are listening to this episode, I wish you all the best, and I wish all the luck and success to come on your way. And I hope each and every one of you will be successful very soon. So thank you for listening to VPod #Vishnu Podcast. Stay tuned. This is your host Kamala Reddy signing off.